I'm gonna start this video from, can you please put the flashlight right here, from this boiler. Look at this. Have you seen anything like this?
In the museum?
Probably in the museum, right?
You can find
And
museum
we are
yourself.
doing it. We are doing it for. This is in a basement of the house that we are planning to buy. Let me show you. It's really cool here in the daylight, in the summer. It has one room right here. I'm not sure, can you see it? Yep. Okay. One more room. This antique place. And it's another. Are you following me? Don't want to live in the dark. Another room right here. One more huge room right here. Another small room.
This is the toilet.
This is a toilet?
Yeah.
Okay. This is a toilet. Do you still need to see something or we can go?
We can go.
Okay. And it's... Oh, we've been in this room, right? It's a lot of storage here. And we are going upstairs right now. And I already showed you this house before. Let me go outside just to remind you. I think we're gonna put an offer on this one. It has, you remember this kitchen? This farm sink. And this is huge living room. I think this may be an entrance to the house because there is a door right here that goes outside. So you can enter from here, then kitchen is gonna be here, and smell of pee here, it's ridiculous. You see the ceiling? Probably it was a water leak. And you need to fix this one because it's maybe water damage here. Floors are pretty solid. Okay, and this is one room. This is bathroom. This house is antique, really. Have you seen things like this? A radiator painted in purple. And mirror in the bathroom. Somebody enjoy looking at mirror when they were taking bath. Okay. Beauty. And it has this closet. And one more room here. But neighborhood is beautiful. See this huge deck overlooking this is the street and this is a house. You can see that it's neat. This is entrance to the basement. We were just there. And this is entrance to the room that I was thinking, and it has balcony upstairs. This house has a foundation problem. You see, foundation has some holes in it, and for section 8 all this probably need to be painted. Let me show you inside one more time. So bedroom number 1, bedroom number 2, and we're gonna go to the second floor from here. It's really dark, but I hope I can make it. It has this door sitting right there. Oops, let's see if I can make it. And we are entering the bathroom, which has a lot of peeling paint.
There's a third
Antique
floor.
toilet, antique bus, tub, another beautiful sink. So what do you think, you like it?
There's a balcony.
Yeah, there is a balcony from the second floor. It's not a beautiful view, but it's nice to have a balcony in my bedroom.
And then there's a third floor.
Which you're gonna go there. Would you keep this kitchen or are you gonna remove it?
Yeah. If we're gonna do it one, if it's one house, we'll have to put a hallway here.
Why would you put a hallway?
Just build a wall here.
This is closets. And third floor.
No, there's no, it's dead.
Great. You have a flashlight, but it's dead. And third floor, oh, unfortunately there is nothing I can show to you because you don't have flashlights. So how many bedrooms is here? 2, right? Or 1?
Here?
Yeah.
3. 1, 2, 3.
Okay. Oh, this is another bedroom. Big one. So, yeah, I remember.
And 2 downstairs, that's 5.
So 5-bedroom house, and they're asking for $30,000. What do you think? How much it's gonna cost to repair?
Tough to tell. Doesn't look like there's a lot of.
This is a radiator that you don't know if it's working or not. Most likely no, right? Remember this beautiful
Need a boiler.
boiler that it's 100 years old.
Boiler is not that expensive.
Okay. All this paint need to be removed. So what do you think? Would you like to make an offer on this one?
Yeah.
Oh. Oops. Okay. This is the balcony. Here's the view from outside. And this neighborhood is really, really quiet. So, you never answered how much it's gonna be to fix it. What do you think?
12, 15.
12,000-15,000 if you do it yourself, but if you're gonna hire somebody, what we are talking about?
Usual way.
Usual what?
Yeah.
I cannot hear your answer.
Yes.
Usual like what? 50? 40?
5,000.
5,000 for what? For a contractor? I wish.
For material.
For material. Would you change floors or you're just gonna
No,
refinish them?
painted.
What about toilet? New toilet, new sink, new bathtub?
No, this is active. Why don't change it? Why would I change it?
Really? Okay. It's different opinion, but what do you guys think? We are making an offer. I'm probably gonna show to you how it's look after it's finished. Thank you. Please subscribe if you are not already and like the video.